That's it.
Higher on the left foot.
On this.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
There you go. Press it down. Get that right foot on that rail. A high rail. Back step it. Yep.
What am I grabbing for now?
It's just kind of one of these slopers up here because you're going to want to match feet.
What slopers?
Just you're going to have to stand up first.
Oh no.
Yeah. Good, dude. Breathe.
Can I start bumping?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fuck you.
And just keep left hand up, and there's eventually just a wrapper. Yeah.
Oh, fuck you!